To transform your photo into a beautiful watercolor style artwork on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open the required photo. Tap edit icon or pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap tools icon. Swipe the icon area to the left and then tap style. Next, swipe the style thumbnail section to the left until you find watercolor. Choose where to apply the effect. You can apply it to the whole image, background only, or subject only. As the example, we will apply this effect to the whole image. If needed, you can adjust the intensity of the effect by dragging the slider below the style. The higher the intensity, the more painted and abstract the image will appear. If you are happy with the result, tap done button and then tap save to save the change. As you can see, the watercolor effect has been added to your photo. Given to the function, adding a watercolor effect gives your photo a soft, artistic touch without the need for complicated edited ads. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.